Hey there, travelers and curious minds. If you're looking for a wild ride through a country that's as mysterious as it is mesmerizing, Slovakia should definitely be on your radar. From its quirky traditions to mind-boggling history and even crazier facts about Slovakian women, buckle up as we explore 30 bizarre facts about this gem in Central Europe. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because Fact 30, it's a real game changer. Give the video a like because believe me, you won't regret it. 1. The land of majestic mountains. Slovakia isn't just rolling hills and picturesque valleys. It's home to the High Tatras, the tallest peaks in the Carpathian Mountains. This is where you'll find eagles soaring, and if you're lucky, maybe even a mountain goat attempting yoga poses on a cliff edge. 2. Slovakia, where legends are real. Ever heard of the Dragon's Cave in Slovakia? Legend has it that a terrifying dragon once terrorized locals until a brave knight outwitted it. Today, it's a popular spot for dragon enthusiasts and those seeking to test their knightly bravery. 3. Slovakian women, the real superstars. Slovakian women are not just beautiful, they've also dominated in the world of sports. Did you know that Slovakian women have won multiple Olympic medals in canoeing and shooting? Talk about fierce and fabulous! The Great Moravian Empire, not your average kingdom. Back in the 9th century, Slovakia was part of the Great Moravian Empire. They weren't just great, they were epic. Their kings probably wore capes and wielded swords that shot laser beams. Okay, maybe not the laser beams, but you get the picture. Bratislava, the capital of quirk. Bratislava might not make the city cut in this list, but let's talk about it for a second. It's where you can find the UFO bridge, officially known as the SNP bridge, which looks like a spaceship docking station. Beam me up, Slovakia. The language Slovak is like a tongue-twister tango. Slovakian is the official language, and boy is it a linguistic adventure. If you can pronounce Stevrotok without spraining your tongue, you're ready to conquer any Slovakian conversation. A capital idea Euro-tripping in Slovakia. Since 2009, Slovakia has been part of the Eurozone, meaning you can spend your hard-earned euros on delicious brinzov haluski, which are potato dumplings with sheep cheese, without worrying about exchange rates. Yum! Traditions that make you go, ever heard of Whip Day in Slovakia? Yep, it's a thing. On Easter Monday, men playfully whip women with handmade whips made of ribbons. It's supposed to bring health and beauty, but I'm not convinced the women are fully on board with this tradition. The underground world of Slovak caves. Slovakia boasts over 6,000 caves, and some of them are downright mystical. The Oktinska Aragonite cave is like stepping into a crystal wonderland. Who needs fairy tales when you've got Slovakian caves? Wine, not just vodka. The Slovakian grape story. Move over, vodka. Slovakia's wine scene is quietly making a name for itself. The Tokaj wine region produces some seriously good dessert wines that'll make your taste buds dance the polka. The art of Easter egg making. Slovakia takes Easter eggs to a whole new level. Forget simple designs. Slovakian Easter eggs are intricate masterpieces, often hand-painted with symbols of fertility, health, and prosperity. They're almost too beautiful to crack open. UFOs and aliens, Slovakia's cosmic connection. If you're into UFO sightings, Slovakia has had its fair share of extraterrestrial encounters. Whether it's the UFO bridge or mysterious lights in the Tatras, there's something otherworldly about this place. Slovakian superstitions. Knock on wood or eat garlic. Slovakians are a superstitious bunch. From avoiding walking under ladders to placing garlic under pillows to ward off evil spirits, they've got a superstition for every occasion. Just don't break any mirrors. Fast cars and furious Slovaks. Slovakia isn't just about folklore and fairy tales, it's also home to some serious automotive prowess. The country is a hub for car manufacturing, producing vehicles for brands like Volkswagen, Kia, and Jaguar Land Rover. Vroom vroom! Cheers, Slovakian toasts and traditions. When it comes to toasting in Slovakia, it's serious business. Slovaks love their spirits, especially Borovika, juniper brandy, and a proper toast is a must before every sip. Na zdravie. Slovakia's spooky side ghost stories galore. Every castle worth its cobwebs has a resident ghost, and Slovakia's castles are no exception. From the White Lady haunting Boynes Castle to the Headless Horseman of Cactus, ghost hunters will feel right at home. Slovakian cuisine, from bizarre to bellyful. Speaking of food, Slovakian cuisine is a delightful mix of hearty stews, savory dumplings, and sweet treats. Brinzov haluski might sound strange, potato dumplings with sheep cheese, but trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Folklore festivals where magic meets mirth. Slovakia loves a good festival, especially one celebrating its rich folklore. From traditional music to elaborate costumes, festivals like Vykodna Folklore Festival are a feast for the senses. Just don't forget your dancing shoes. Nature's playground, Slovakia's outdoor adventures. With its stunning landscapes and national parks like Slovak Paradise, outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to love in Slovakia. Hiking, skiing, and cave exploring are just a few of the activities that'll get your heart pumping. The Slovakian smile friendly faces everywhere. Slovaks are known for their hospitality and warm smiles. Whether you're lost in the city or ordering in a restaurant, expect friendly faces and helpful hands ready to make your stay unforgettable. Slovakian women powerhouses of sport and style. Back to Slovakian women because they deserve another shout out. Besides dominating in sports, Slovakian women have a strong sense of style. You'll often see them effortlessly blending modern fashion with traditional flair. The velvet divorce breaking up is hard to do. Remember when Czechoslovakia split into two peaceful nations in 1993? Slovakia and the Czech Republic went their separate ways in what became known as the velvet divorce. No drama, just a velvet soft separation. The bridge to the future. Slovakia's modern marvels. From futuristic bridges to cutting-edge technology, Slovakia is embracing the future while honoring its past. Innovation and tradition coexist harmoniously in this dynamic country. Slavic soul. Music and melodies of Slovakia. Music is in Slovakia's DNA, from traditional folk tunes to modern beats. Whether you're listening to a folk band in a village pub or catching a concert in Bratislava, Slovakian music will captivate your soul. Mythical creatures, Slovakia's cryptozoological charms. Ever heard of the Liptov dragon? Slovakia has its share of mythical creatures lurking in the shadows. Keep your eyes peeled for these elusive beings. You might just stumble upon a cryptozoological gem. Education nation, Slovakia's quest for knowledge. Slovakia takes education seriously, with a high literacy rate and a strong emphasis on learning. From preschool to university, Slovakians are nurturing the minds of tomorrow, with passion and dedication. The quirky quotient, Slovakia's sense of humor. Slovaks have a unique sense of humor that's both witty and warm-hearted. Whether it's poking fun at themselves or finding joy in everyday moments, laughter is the universal language in Slovakia. Time travel in Slovakia, where past meets present. Explore Slovakia's medieval castles, Baroque palaces, and charming villages frozen in time. History buffs will revel in the country's rich heritage, where every cobblestone tells a story. A taste of tradition Slovakian festive feasts. Slovakians know how to celebrate, especially during festivals like Christmas and Easter. Traditional dishes like kapustnica or cabbage soup and stedrak, the Christmas wafer, bring families together in delicious harmony. The grand finale, Slovakia's wildest secret revealed. Okay folks, here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. Fact 30 about Slovakia is so mind-blowing, so unbelievably crazy, that you'll want to sit down for this one. Ready? Slovakia has more castles and chateaux per capita than any other country in the world. That's right. There's a castle around almost every corner waiting to be explored. Now, isn't that the craziest, most enchanting fact you've ever heard? In conclusion, Slovakia in 2024 is a country bursting with surprises, from its majestic mountains to its quirky traditions and friendly faces. Whether you're drawn to its mythical charm, outdoor adventures, or simply want to indulge in delicious cuisine, Slovakia promises an unforgettable experience. So what are you waiting for? Pack your sense of humor and your spirit of adventure and dive headfirst into the delightful madness that is Slovakia. Don't forget to hit that like button if you've enjoyed this whirlwind tour and share your favorite Slovakian moments with us in the comments below. Na zdravie! Cheers to your Slovakian adventure!